What is it? Jessie, come here. Jessie. Jessie.
Jessie.
Jessie. Look. Go say hi. Oh, what? Now you don't want to say hi. Oh, he's got a friend. He brought back up. Sniff his butt. Sniff her butt. Come here, Jessie.
He's like, I like you.
You're being antisocial.
The horse had his fucking head in the window.
I love coming back to Tennessee.
You never know what
People just interact.
What's up, Brad?
What's up?
It's me.
Oh, no,
Dude, it's
wait.
you. Dude, what's Monte? Hey,
Bring you
They
guys
were
some
kissing.
apples. I don't have any food.
I missed the kissing action. Come on, Tessie. Come here. What are you gonna do about it?
Tessie?
Shake him.
It's so funny.
Come here. The horse.